For the 190 EVO, I also got a photo etch set from Hobby Design. It wasn't too expensive, so I thought it might be a nice extra. Now, I'm not too sure on which parts I will be using, though I am sure that I'm not going to be using the grill part, as it's a great nightmare to cut it out nicely from the original body and then just piece it together with these flimsy pieces, so that will probably not be the case. But some of the seatbelt material, some of those materials for the belt buckles, and maybe even the ones for the disc brakes and some logos here and there will probably be used, but not much more. Well, there is not really much more in the set, but all the parts that are there are nicely detailed, super crisp, and if you want to use all of them, they are perfectly usable.